Watching morning sunrise on the seashore is a fantastic experience. There is nothing more beautiful than the way the ocean refuses to stop kissing the shoreline. It's amazing to find a place where you can just be yourself. This place brings you close to the nature. The beautiful beach of Ladghar is 30 minutes away from Dapoli. The quiet and pleasant beach on the coast of the Ladghar is the perfect place to spend some quality time. One can enjoy a wide range of Konkani seafood. It feels relaxed when there is no disturbance and just sound of seashores. Local fishermen take the tourists to see dolphins. This unspoiled beach is so quiet and pleasant. This is a perfect place where one can relax and forget about the stress. There are multiple water sports activities that you can enjoy with your family and friends. Ladghar is known for its grainy shoreline and for its mesmerizing orange sunset. This unforgettable place in Konkan is definitely a worth visit.